Picture this. You've just finished organizing your space. You're surrounded by a sea of garbage bags. Some are for trash, some are for donation. You decide, I'm kind of tired. I think I'll just deal with these bags in a day or two. Well, a day or two comes, you go back into your space, you grab the bags you think are for donation. You put them in your car, you drive them to your local donation center. They see you coming. They're thrilled to see you and your bags. You get there, they open up the bags only to discover that these are the bags of your trash and not your donations. Oh no, how embarrassing! But don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make sure you don't donate your trash or trash your donations. Hi, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, then welcome. My name is Stacey Agin. I'm a professional organizer and I help people get organized so they can have more time in their day, more space in their home, more money in their wallet, and less stress in their lives. For more on how to organize your home and your life, hit the big red subscribe button below and click the bell next to it to be notified when I've posted a new video. When I work with clients in a cluttered space, we often find ourselves surrounded by a sea of garbage bags. Some are for trash and some are filled with donations. And in order to tell them apart quickly and easily, I created a system using colors to tell them apart. I use black garbage bags for trash and white garbage bags for donations. Because I use a ton of them in my work, I purchase them at Costco, but you can buy them at any supermarket or home goods store. Now you'll never accidentally trash your donations or donate your trash. Speaking of trash, a while back I wrote a blog post on what to do with those garbage bags once you're done purging. For the link to that blog post, look in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's purging their home. For more organizing hacks like these, click the big red subscribe button and hit the bell next to it to be notified when I post my next video. Until next time, keep on organizing.